Happy New Year. Welcome to my first plan with me for the month, the year 2024 and the month of January. So this is for the week of January 1st through January 7th. And I've already done it, and I've also already recorded this twice. And for some reason, I didn't have sound, and then I thought I fixed it, and I still didn't have sound. So hopefully I have sound this time. I think I do. Anyway, this is my brand new planner that I got at Target. It's called a Day Designer. If you missed my video where I showed what I was going to be using, this is it. And I like the layout of the planner. It has this cover sheet, which is beautiful. This, actually, you could change it's a pocket. You could change this pattern if you wanted to and use it for something else after the year is done or whatever you want to do. It does come with a few gold stickers to use, two pockets, one on the front and one on the back here. Some personal information, which I didn't fill in. 24 and 25 reference calendars, the story of this planner and how to use it. It does have sheets in the front, which I have not filled out yet, for start with the big picture, set your goals, personal goals, family, friends, and relationships, heart and spirit goals, financial goals, work, career, or study goals, and accomplished by when. And it says, don't forget to mark your milestone dates on your calendar. Number 3 is design your days, like morning routines, evening routines. And they put some in here in the morning. Plan your day early. Identify your 3 to-dos, your top 3, fitness and family time. And evening, take time to be grateful, recap the day, celebrate progress, and prepare for tomorrow. And then 4 is stay on course. Review your goals throughout the year, and it has some things to think about as far as staying on course and things to review, like finance goals, trips and travel, important birthdays, school and church events, important work events, etc., fitness schedule or goals, and so forth. It did have an October through December calendar in here, which I did not use. Except for the last 2 days of December. And I don't usually decorate much the monthly because I use that as what I do is I start there and I kind of lay everything out. So I did it in pencil. I don't always do that, but I was finding I was erasing things. So, couple things that will be happening. I will be keeping staying in these 3 collaborations on this channel, embellishments on the 11th, which is my collaboration. We will have the same size group, it's 5 or 6 including me, and we'll make any kind of embellishment. But I am also going to start a new series, probably the day after, maybe within the 2 days after, and that series will be something like, let's use our embellishments. I want to make something with those embellishments so that by the end of next year, I don't have another one of these. Now, I have used some of my embellishments, but I have not used a good majority of them. And they're in this little container, and I need to use them on some things. So I want to make embellishments with the intent that I'm going to use them within a couple days, a day or two. So I put it on for the 12th. I don't know if that'll happen or if it'll be the 13th, just so you know. So that's a new series as well. So the Christmas, I don't know if I said that in this video, there's going to be a Christmas card a month, a Christmas card or 2 a month series. That will be on the 5th at noon every month. And that's my own series, just me, no collaboration. So the other collabs I'll be in on this channel, the only other formal collab I'll be in is Crack the Vault, which is 10 a.m. on the 3rd Friday. That is run by Jamie over at PoeSpice. So go check her out too. And on my jewelry channel, Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More, I will be continuing the Jewelry Making Fun collaboration. That's on the 18th of the month at noon. So those are the three formal collabs I'm in. Now, the other day I did sign up on Crafting with Isabel's channel to start on a journal collab. And this is to be a journal. I don't know what kind of journal. Junk journal? Traveler's journal? I don't know if it matters. It just has to be a journal about either your state or your like your heritage, where you're from, if you're from a different location or country or whatever. And I asked, and Isabel said it would be fine. I want to combine them because I love my state and my country. So I want to do Pennsylvania, which is where I'm from and I live in now. But I also would like to merge that with some of my lineage and my heritage, what my background is. And I'll keep that for now to myself and I'll share that in my journal. I have to ask a question. I don't know whether I can do like let's work on the journal kind of videos and like progress videos and then do the final share on March 2nd, which is the end date of the collab right now, or if I have to keep it all a secret until March 2nd and then reveal. So I have to get a couple questions answered. So I haven't started on that yet. I just signed up for that the other day because I thought that would be something fun. And I did gather, a couple years ago, I gathered quite a bit of information I think I can use in my Pennsylvania journal. And we're not sending them anywhere. They're just going to be for us to use or sell or whatever. I will be keeping mine, probably putting family memories and stuff in it, kind of like a memory journal, but maybe not with photos. I don't know. I have a lot of my mom's old photos, but honestly, some of them I don't even know who the people are, which is really sad. Anyway, I digress. So this week I'll go over in the next page. I also have a goal to upload take f- price up take photos and upload 10 pieces of jewelry twice a month on Etsy. I was aiming for more than that. I don't think I'll make it. I will be doing a plan with me once a week. However, it's not a collab anymore starting today. Lene over at Fashionably 50 something or beyond is not running the collab anymore. So it'll just be plan with me videos of my own. No hashtag anything. Um, And then I have a few other series that I'm thinking about, but I don't want to explicitly say what they are. For January through March, I have decided I will continue Paper Pumpkin Kit for 3 months more because I saw previews of them and they're so pretty. And the first one, January's, goes with the main suite that I want to get the products for out of the new mini catalog, which goes into effect on the 4th. So yes, I will be spending some more on the 4th, and I have not been a good girl. I've been buying this past week, and after the 4th, that buying is going to come to a abrupt halt after the 4th because I'll have to pay off everything I bought already, and things will be trickling in through like this third week of either the second or third week of January. Some of them are taking a little longer to come in, and one of them is a pre-order of stuff that is due in January, so I don't know when that might come in. Sometime towards the end of January or even early February on that. But I will have paid for it in December. This one's the only one that I know of that on the 4th Stampin' Up one that I will be having to pay for in January, and then I have to stop. Um, and planning also to for another couple months maybe continuing the spellbinders, large die of the month, and embossing folder of the month. And I did just use December's in my live stream, so if you missed that, please go check it out and you'll see what I made with the large die of the month from Spellbinders. So my kind of focus this year is going to be to use things things that I might have had for a long time, which is the whole purpose of Crack the Vault that you've never used or it's been 6 months or more since you've used. I have so many products that I have never used. I don't have any problem meeting Crack the Vault. And I don't mean just stamps and dies. Crack the Vault, I have made a list of like 13 or 14 products, crafty products, including stamps and dies, but um, other things as well that I need to pull out of my archives and use. So you might be seeing some unexpected uh, crafts for Crack the Vault collab. And let's see, what else? On my jewelry channel, which I know you're not concerned with, other than the collab, I'm still getting Potomac beads as an affiliate. What do they call them? They don't call them affiliate, but anyway, they send me the box and I do at least 2 videos with it. I am getting bargain bead box again, which is a popular one. It seems I do the unboxings and then I do the finished pieces, and sometimes I do a tutorial here and there. Not my specialty, but I do them sometimes. I am going to try and do Passion for Purple, which is an open collab run by Metal Scrap and Chick. However, I'm going to alternate. So for January, and that'll be on the 15th at noon, in January, I'm going to do something on this channel, but February, I'm going to make jewelry. So I'm going to do it that way so that, and participate as, me, but it'll be me as Deb Houck and me as Dahlia Design. So I hope that's okay, Kim at Metal Scrap and Chick. And then there will be there's going to be some other series. I don't want to, set a time and date to them because I just feel like I'm going to be too restricted and I just want to be able to do a pop-up video here and there. Um, Things like, for example, again, getting into products that I haven't used in the past or even new products that I haven't used yet. Um, Things like stencils. I want to do more with stencils. Now I can incorporate some of those in some of these other collabs, but I specifically want to use more stencils, more embossing folders. Um, I have some actual stamp and die sets that I bought a year ago or more and have never been used, and I won't be able to get to all of them in Crack the Vault. So there's just, there's going to be random. And when I did my live on the 31st on this channel, several people said they would like to have more lives and craft alongs and things. So I think I'm going to figure out what day will work. It'll probably be Sunday, 2 Sundays a week from 10 a.m. till noon Eastern. And I know that time doesn't work for everyone, but maybe you can watch the replays if you can't make it, but several people that do participate said the weekend is better and mornings are better. So that's going to be my plan, I think. It's going to be Sundays 2 times a month. So I already did the 31st. I think I'm going to tentatively schedule the next one for the 21st. Sunday the 21st, 10 till noon, live papercraft. I don't know what it'll be yet. Okay, and I'll try and be a little more prepared than I was today. And also, by that time, I will probably have the next Spellbinders die and embossing folder of the month, and I know I'll have the next paper pumpkin, so I could incorporate some of those again. And my guess is we're going to be Valentine themed or spring themed for that, which either one is fine with me. All right, that's enough about the future of the channel, right? Here's my layout again for the week. And you say, wow, that's pretty colorful. Well, this is my birthday week. I will be turning older on Friday the 5th. And so I had washi from Recollections. It was in one of those boxes that they used to have of all the holidays washies, and it was in there, as were these colorful balloons, as was this stripe here. So I just used that stripe throughout. The balloons at the top. I used some gold firework type stickers for New Year's, because January 1st, of course, is New Year's Day. And here's another firework. I have 2 doctor's appointments this week, one on Tuesday and one on the 4th, Thursday. And then I just have things I have to do. Friday, there will be a video. That's the 5th at noon on Christmas card or 2 a month, which means I have to make them. So I'm scheduling to make them on Wednesday and doing the video as well, because I will not be home most of Friday. I'll be out with a friend for breakfast and thrift shopping. So yay. And then I have to do some jewelry making. And I also want to walk at least 3 times a week. So this week I checked the weather and it looks like Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday will be my days to walk. Plus I'll be moving around when I'm thrift shopping, but that's not the same thing as walking to get your heart rate up and stuff, right? So yeah, that's what my planner looks like. And also I'll be doing the plan with me videos. I don't know if I'll be putting them up on Sunday or Monday, but I have to do it anyway on Sunday. So I don't know if you'll see them. I did put a sticker here, "We Rise by Lifting Others." That's by Robert Ingersoll. There's a little box in this planner down at the bottom every week for gratitude, and I put a sticker there, "Gratitude every day." This one's all about my birthday. So this layout is the schedule. So that's your appointments and whatnot, and then a to-do. And that works for me. And if I don't have anything, like on Wednesday, I have nothing I have to do out of the house, I just can put a sticker there or a box or something. I chose a sticker. If nothing is certain, everything is possible. And then there's a space down here at the very bottom on the other side, which you cannot see, which says this week's top 3. And I just put little star stickers. I did not fill that out yet, but I have ideas of what those are. So that's my planner for this week of January 1st to January 7th. This is long enough. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope you have a wonderful New Year's, start to your New Year's, I'll say. And have you made goals? I'm not making resolutions. I'm making goals, and I'm trying to set mini goals to help me achieve those goals. And even at my age, I can set goals. All right, everyone. Thank you again for watching. I will talk to you again very soon, and do have a wonderful week ahead. Take care. Bye for now.